Welcome back to Troxes TV. This week I'm going to show you how to use one of the existing creator kits to create something kind of totally different. So if you open up your Bucky the Penguin kit, instead of building Bucky the Penguin, you can build something different because all Troxes are built out of the exact same shape and just combined in different ways. So here's Bucky the Penguin. I'm just going to dismantle him. And here are all the components of tetras and octas that make him. Watch as I put them together in a different arrangement to build a new animal and a new creator kit. So I start with putting together tetras and octas. I'm going to build the body first. If you can figure out what animal I'm going to make, put it in the comments below with what time you figured it out. This is going to be the body. And now I'm going to build the neck. Do you see it coming together? There we go. Do you see it? Instead of Bucky the Penguin, we've got Pucky the Puffin. I hope you were right. Show me what you can make with your Troxes creator kits. And be sure to subscribe below and join us next week for something new on Troxes TV.